Hi guys, good afternoon. Today is April 23rd. Time is 3:41 p.m. Sunday. This is again we are doing basically a technical analysis chart again. What we're going to happen in next week basically. uh, Looks like the price is not moving up or down, so it's still kind of like going on the sideways direction a little bit up and down, but it's not moving out of the woods yet. Like it's not giving us a clear direction so far. Again, guys, this video is made for education purpose only. Whatever I say in this video, you might probably won't make money. You probably may you will able to make some money, but I don't guarantee that you might going to make some money. Okay, this video is done for education purpose only. What I'm looking into this video or into this market and trying to explain you guys about something about the price action. Basically price action, that is what I care about. Price action, how I'm able to make money because of this price. If the price will going to go upside or the price will going to go downside. The S&P wants to trade to the upside, whether the S&P wants to trade to the downside. These are the factors which I go and check before I trade. Basically Dow Jones Transportation Average. Okay, Dow Jones Transportation is one of our leaders, and if you go and check, it has a little bit of down day, only like not like $33, so not that much. But the price, what I have seen over here, is like a bearish kind of a. If you go and check the big one, a little bit of 6 months of this, I feel like this is like a bearish flag, wants to drop down, but there might be as like a small correction but not a big one. I don't think so, but I don't know yet, because when I call about the correction, there can be so many factors, because first of all, I'm a day trader. Okay, I go by the day. Whatever I say and whatever I'm going to say in the next video, you probably will like, you'll be surprised, because I'm a day trader. My things change daily. Okay, if the price move up like this one day like this, then I'm totally bullish on the market. If the price drop like this, I'm totally bearish, because that is what it is. You understand? The big banks are the one who's moving this price in and out. So you need to understand, big banks, Goldman Sachs, Wells Fargo, Bank of America, Chase, Merrill Lynch, then Barclays. These are the big banks. They are the one who's like moving the price in and like moving their money in and out in like a billions, like 15 to 20 billion dollars. So whatever I do with the trading is like a small amount of money. Okay, like $5 to $10,000, $15 to $20,000. That really doesn't affect the market at all. Let me tell you something. Your money, until unless you like moving up billions of dollars, then the S&P will gonna have an effect. Otherwise, your 100,000 and all is peanuts. It's peanuts for the market. It won't move. Okay, it won't move. So just to let you guys know, if there's someone who's thinking, oh, my 100,000 will gonna move, even $1 million, it won't even move. It's a peanuts. Okay, so yes, what I see over here for the SPY, again, this is the one which is my favorite. uh, SPY has only 32 cents up, guys. So price is again not coming down that much. They are still filling up the orders. So there are like a bull and the bear fights right now. So what I'm looking over here, the price might come down a little bit, maybe here, somewhere over here. Okay, price might come down a little bit, but not that much. But not that much. Okay, hold on. Let me just delete this arrow. Not that much. The price won't come that much. So what I'm looking over here, like a price might come right over here, somewhere over here, but I won't see like a big drop. Even if there's a correction, it might be a small one. It can be followed with a big also, but it all depends. It all depends again with the big banks, what they are doing and what they are thinking about the price. So somewhere over here, if this thing breaks down, and over here, somewhere over here, if it's not going dropping below this, Let's just keep this price action right over here. If it's dropping below this, then we might see a big drop. Otherwise, it might the price might just go on the sideways direction right over here and fill up all these orders so far, and then it will go take off. That's what is going to happen because what I have seen 1 2 3 days, but the price is not coming down. Is supposed to come down, but it's not coming down. That means telling me like a lot of bullish too. Okay, a lot of bullish. It's like a bearish also, because why I say you'll see why I'm saying bullish and bearish like a swing days. That's what I can say. Like a price might go up, come down, and settle wherever it is. Price might go up, come down, and settle wherever it is. So let's go and check the Dow Jones. You see, Dow Jones. If you see, this is like a bearish to me. But if you put a trend line like this over here, what will gonna happen? It becomes a bullish. Let's just delete this. Okay, let's just delete this, and it becomes a bullish again. You know, again it becomes a bullish. So if you see this, let's just delete this one. It becomes a bullish. It becomes a bullish. Okay, it's like a pen and flag ready to go up. Dow Jones DAI, basically Dow Jones, which is DAI, which is like a ETF tracking up the Dow Jones. So that shows bullish. S&P also, if you put it like that, like put a this, if you put a trend line this way, okay, long term it shows bullish. No joke. Check about this one. Okay, but short term it might drop. That's what I'm trying to say. Short term we might see the price getting corrected. Okay, but if you go to see the long term it is still bullish, guys. I don't see, like, but long term I'm always bullish on the market. Short term I'm probably might be a bearish on the market. So it's all about the price again. The price might come down a little bit over here, but it's still gonna go up. That's what I feel, because I've seen the technical indicators. They are coming down, but the price is not coming down. If the technical indicators are coming down and the price is not coming down, that means that they are buying it. They are buying this market. Okay, guys, they are buying this market again. If you go and check this gold thing, short term it might be a bearish. Long term you'll see the bullish. You will put up the trend lines, will be totally bullish, guys. Okay, hold on, sorry. If you put up the trend lines, this will be all bullish. I feel this is all bullish. Seriously, this is the bearish, but this will be the bullish trend lines again. you know Again, this will be all bullish flag. For the long term, I'm positive on the market. Even for the gold wants to go higher. That's what I'm noticing. Gold wants to go higher. So again, the price might hover in this area, no doubt about it. But the gold might go up as well. Let's check E-mini S&P again. This is just a 6 months chart, guys. Again, SPY and E-mini S&P is the same thing, because they are tracking the same. The price action is the same right over here. So the short term it might come down, guys, little bit here and there, you know, but the long term, I feel this is still like a bullish flag. Wants to go up, wants to go up. Okay, short term I'm bearish, long term I'm bullish. If you see Russell has a big bearish flag, big bearish flag for the Russell. So again, this is Russell is like a small cap, still have a bearish flag, long term, but price action is the one we're going to let us know what the investors are thinking and everything, because this is one of our major pl- players in the market. Basically, this is one of our major players in the market. Let's check the oil. Oil is also like having a gap, and the gap is about to fill. So that again, those orders might fill up this gap. You understand that gap will might fill up for the oil market again, because you see S&P Once it correct a little bit more downside, if the downside is coming, then the oil gap will gonna fill up right over here. So again, the prices so far is not moving up or moving down. Even if it moves down, it might move down a little bit, not that much. All it depends. It all depends, guys. All depends what the big boys are doing. If the big boys are trying to move their money out, that means the stock market will go down, because stock market is made up with the money. Money is moving in or the money is moving out. That will gonna let us know what will be the next step in the market. So far, there's just like a swing days, basically. That's what I call it. The price might come down again, to fill up more orders, and then the fill up more orders, then going to come up. And if you see over here, you see this one. Let me delete this one. Let me delete this. You need to, and I want you to understand something. If you see this open up over here, went down, came back up, next day what will happen? Open up, went down, came back up. So what will gonna happen tomorrow? Open up, might go down a little bit, and probably gonna go up. Probably gonna go up, or probably if they are selling it, then it might come down. Might come down and settle right over here. If it is settled down, that means it's coming down. More downside is coming. If it's ready to go up, that means the price is still trying to go up. I'm a day trader, guys. Again, I go by the day, because this whole sector is not moving anywhere. It's not moving anywhere. So the price still have to be like bouncing in this area, and they will going to fill up a lot of orders. The price might come, or it can be like a U shape, U like this, and the price might drop. you know so it all depends on the buyers and the sellers, whether the money is moving into the market, whether the money is moving out of the market. So again, so if you see over here, price came up for the oil all the way to the 80, and then they started moving their money out. And what really happened? Price dropped price dropped. So this is what I mean. It all depends on the buyers and sellers, on the big banks, because big banks are the one who's like moving billions of dollars, not millions. I'm talking a letter B. Okay, again, if you see the Russell has a big bear flag. So if price might come down a little bit, touch over here, and might bounce back up again. That's what we are looking for. Okay, but it all the we'll come to know, basically. We will come to know based on the price action, what they are really thinking. Okay, then we'll see SQQQ, all time low. Price might come up a little bit, fill up these gaps, you know, and turn back down. That's what I'm hoping for. If you are an investor, I will be buying some of the wicks at this moment in time. All time lower. Wicks is all time low. And you check the slide, and something is going on right over here. You see this, guys? Something happened right over here. Price went up, came down later on. Price went up, sideways, basically. It went down. Then again, price popped out to 60. And then what really happened? Big. This is like a big. Price went open up right over here, went up, came down like a hammer, went up, came down, and then the price dropped. And right now, something is going on right over here. It's like they are filling up some of the orders. That's what I can tell you. Let's check Amazon. Amazon looks like wants to go up, but I won't be surprised it comes down. Upcoming this week, it probably might come down a little bit, or probably might go up also. I won't be surprised. Let's check Microsoft. These are the major players, guys. These are the one who are like most people are holding their stocks and holding the options and all. Microsoft, the price is turning around, basically. The price is turning around like a U. Okay, the price might come down a little bit, but wants to go up. I don't see the Microsoft might have like a big pull down or something like that. Not right now. Let's check Apple. Check this, guys. Bullish flag came down a little bit, corrected the price, bought a lot of buyers, popped, Again, corrected the price, popped, corrected the price, popped, corrected the price, popped. Right now, what is doing? Going to do next? Correct the price right over here, and should able to pop. If it's not popping, then it's going down. Okay, that's what I'm looking for. All right, so this is what the US indices looks like, like a US price index for the Apple is the major player, guys. It's running on the S&P as well as the Nasdaq. So Apple is holding both the side. So Apple tells us a lot of things. Apple wants to be bullish. I don't see Apple wants to go down. There are people who used to call price for like a Apple 110. Not really. It won't come. It won't come that price. So I don't think so that price is coming. So I'm still looking for the upside to Apple. And let's check the Bitcoin, the major all-time favorite of all people, like Bitcoin. Weekly. This is a weekly chart of Bitcoin, guys. This is a weekly chart of Bitcoin, okay? Weekly, if you see, I want to show you guys something. Check these big bars. Check check the big bars, guys. Check these big bars. Oh my gosh, they are so big. You probably even can't even trade this Bitcoin, okay? They're so big, so volatile. Check the volume. Some millions of dollars volume, okay? So again, you see this big pops down, big pop down, big pop down. When the price came down, went up a little bit, but it's all weekly. This is all weekly. What the Bitcoin did in a week. And it came down, came down, came down, and dropped. And something happened right over here. Went to the side way direction, went a little bit side, and then it popped. Popped. And what happened right now? Dropped. The price of Bitcoin dropped last week. Okay, and what happened to the price of the S&P? Was not going up. So Bitcoin is also trading in US indices. Why I say that? Because there are a lot of ETF about Bitcoin in US indices. There are a lot of hedge funds who are buying it, who are selling the Bitcoin, and all those things, guys. So that's the reason the price dropped. They took out their money right now, and that's the reason the price dropped. The price just don't drop just like that, because somebody took out the money, and that's the reason the price dropped. And what's happening? Let's just check. I want to give you something over here. Check this one. Check the volume. It's like almost like the same, even low volume. Okay, check this candle. Came down. And what happened next week? Came down. What happened next week? Where it looked like a hammer, but price came down. Price came down. Down. What happening over here right now? Price was down. Opening right over here with the green. If it comes up and if it settle the same, then the price will gonna go down for the Bitcoin. I'm calling if this next week the price doesn't pop up, then the price will gonna go down. Upcoming weeks the price will gonna go down because the investors will gonna move their money out. And if the Bitcoin is going down, S&P will also gonna go down. If the S&P is going up, Bitcoin is also going up. That's what it is. Bitcoin is like following the S&P right now, guys. Bitcoin is following the S&P cash market right now. If the Bitcoin is going up, then we're going to see that the S&P is also going up. If the S&P is going down, Bitcoin is also going down. So right now there is a correction because somebody took out a lot of money from here, basically, and price came down. So now I want you to keep a close eye on the Bitcoin. What is really doing? If the tomorrow if the price comes up and settles somewhere over here, even on the halfway, then we're going to go up. If it is went up and came exactly wherever it was, then I feel we're going to see another leg down on the Bitcoin. Probably right over here in this area, 24 to 25,000. That's the lake down. I'm looking for the Bitcoin. And if the price come up, then I want to see whether the Bitcoin is settling somewhere on 28,000, settling somewhere over here. And if it came down exactly wherever it was in 27,500 somewhere over here, then we are looking for this lake. 24,000. Guys, these are like specific things what I'm trying to explain you about the bitcoins. Okay, if you're the investor in the bitcoin, you have to be very very careful at this moment in time. Okay, what the price action is doing at this moment, whether the money is moving in or whether the money is moving out. So be very very careful about the bitcoin. A lot of people, I know there are a lot of people who are trading the bitcoin, so be very very careful. Again guys, please, please consult your financial advisor or a broker, whoever you take your advice from. I'm not a financial advisor or I'm not a broker. Please, this video is made for education purpose only. This is all my technical indicators for the upcoming week. Basically, like we are looking for the price action. Again, this can be all be changed, guys. This all can be changed. It all depends on the price, what the big banks and the big boys are thinking. That's what it is. All depends on them because they are the one who's moving billions, a letter B. Okay, 15 billion, 20 billion, that's what they are looking for. They are moving in, they're moving out. Okay, they are moving in billions. If the S&P drops, again, you will going to see that the Bitcoin will going to drop. Okay, guys, if somebody wants to learn some more details about how the price action really works and everything, okay, if you want to learn, please send me an email. Okay, my email is swisscapitalgain@gmail.com. Please send me an email if you want to learn. Okay, I can teach you in detail why the price moves in, why the price moves out, and what exactly the price will going to do and everything, and how I'm making money. You can go and check my other videos. I do day trade and I record everything real time and I post it on the YouTube. So please check all my videos, how I'm making money. But I'm a option trader. Again, I'm an option trader. I'm a day trader, but I'm an option trader. I move in and move out within like a 15 to 20 minutes, 1 hour time, basically. Nothing long term. I'm taking my money and running, basically. I'm not waiting for the algorithm to beat me, basically. I'm not waiting for the big whale to come and eat my profit. So that's what I'm doing. Please be careful about trading. Trading is always risky. Please, if you don't have money to risk, you should never trade. Never trade, because you will not able to get that money back. So market is always unpredictable. Things happen. If something comes up tomorrow, there's a war, America is going to war, the price will gonna move. Okay, the price will gonna move immediately, up or down. A lot of things will going to happen. So it all depends. Again, it all depends on the if the America is going to war with Russia, the price will going to move about their currency. American dollar will be moving in and out, something like that. That's the thing. Again, we have no idea what the politicians are doing and what kind of bills they are passing and all those things. Okay, but what we have a control, this chart tells us exactly. Okay, if the price is moving in or price is moving out, the investors are moving in and the investors are moving out because they have the first knowledge. They have the first knowledge. What we are exactly doing, we are going with the price. That's what we are doing. We are just following the price. Okay, that's what I'm doing. I'm a day trader. I just follow the daily price. I don't go to check the weekly. This is the weekly chart, but if you go and check the daily, this is what happened. Check, guys. Check the daily. It dropped. So I'm looking for somewhere next week. I'm looking for somewhere over here. If the Bitcoin comes to like 28,000 and settles somewhere over here, then it's good. If it's still coming down, it's not good. That means the S&P will going to go down also because they are moving their money out. That's what I can tell you. They're moving their money out. Okay, your small account won't affect anything in the market. So this is like a real time. Okay, this is like a real time. So I'm just letting you guys know, your small money doesn't affect the market. All the politicians are the one who's writing the rules. They're moving. They are what kind of rules they are doing, what kind of war they are planning to have. that will going to affect the price. That affect the price, not what I think or not what you think. That will not going to affect the price. The money is the one who affect everything. All right, guys, thank you for tuning in to my videos. Thank you for checking out my videos, and always don't forget to subscribe and hit a like button, and please share with your friends and family about this video. Thank you. You guys have a good one. Stay always in peace and stay always blessed as always. Bye.